Question 9 asks, how do you plan for high risk or critical risk activities? This question is worth 15 points. What is a high risk or critical risk activity? Simply put, any work activity that could lead to or cause serious harm or death would fit into this category. The assessors are looking for an example of a task analysis, a job safety analysis, safe work method statement, or something similar. This type of document is used to show how you deal with potentially dangerous work on a step-by-step basis. Significantly hazardous or critical risk activities include, but are not limited to, the following examples: remote or isolated tasks, atmospheres with potential to cause fire or explosion, raised and falling objects, including crane work, working in enclosed spaces, working at heights, high voltage or electrical works, unguarded machinery, working on or near roads, substances hazardous to health such as chemicals and asbestos, and all notifiable works. Evidence of a task's analysis or similar document would clearly show how a risk-based approach to the task has been formulated and describes the various steps involved in the process. This process would normally use a risk assessment and would link risks and hazards to specific controls designed to lower and manage the residual risk. Please note, this is not a hazard risk register, as it is confined to one particular scope of works and incorporates a focused analysis on a specific range of steps that need to be taken to ensure everyone involved remains safe. Evidence should include signatures from the people involved in the work to show they agree with the steps that have been documented and understand the process. This could also be shown via a relevant toolbox talk, which would demonstrate there has been worker participation in the process.